Come make a strawberry shortcake inspired soap with me. I know you guys are gonna love this design. I am gonna make some tweaks to it in the future and you'll see why. Let's make some soap. Okay, let's get started with our soap base by pouring our lye water solution into our oils. The recipe I'm using today and in most all of my videos can be found in the description box. It is free for you to use, make soap, and then sell your soap. I don't care what you do with it. Let's blend it all up. And now that that is blended, I am splitting this batch into 3 equal portions. Whoops, almost forgot to add my sodium lactate. That would have been bad. Let's blend that in real quick. You can add your sodium lactate in at trace or just past emulsion like I just did. Or you can add it to your lye water solution. It doesn't really matter. I don't really have a preference. Glug, glug, glug. Got a little bit of false trace going on there. Not a big deal. If this ever happens to you and your soap ends up looking like it's gonna separate or kind of applesaucey and you haven't added your fragrance yet, you just need to blend a little more. That's all it is. You see this right here? See that kind of applesauce texture? Yeah. That is false trace. It just needs more blending and I'm going to do that. I'm going to blend in my color and then I'm going to blend in my fragrance. So the soap still has a lot of blending to have happen to it. So this is not something to freak out about. All right, let's talk color. I have a blend of 2 different neons going into this one. I'm using both Tickled Pink and Pretty Kitty. Then I have a True Red blend going into here. This will be kind of a cherry red. Definitely leans toward the pink side. And then I have Cosmic Caroline going into its own container on this side. Let's mix those up and see what we think. These look delicious. Let's add our super secret sauce fragrance oil. This is the Summer Strawberries fragrance that we blended in-house. So you can't get this fragrance oil anywhere because I have custom created it. Now this fragrance does move cold processed soap along quite quickly, so I will be blending it in by hand. Oh my goodness, this smells like strawberry jam, strawberry shortcake, strawberries and cream, all the good strawberries. And why add a strawberry soap in with this collection? Well, there's a lot of reasons. One, a lot of tiny things, a lot of the movies and shows that I have watched where there are tiny little people, strawberries kind of show up a lot. That seems to be a favorite snack. And raspberries, like wild raspberries, wild strawberries. I think they match mushrooms and stuff very, very well. Also, I know that this technically isn't like a tiny thing, but I kind of think of strawberry shortcake as in the TV show in the same vein. I don't know, she feels little to me. And these are definitely colors she would wear. So strawberries just makes a whole lot of sense in like 9 different directions. Okay, let's go ahead and pour. All right, I'm gonna pour a good amount of my red in here. Yeah, a good amount. I only really want to do 1 pass with the red. I want it to kind of anchor the other 2 pinks. So I want these to be my swirly colors. I can probably get 3 passes or so. Okay, now I have just about the same amount left with these colors as I do with the red. So I will go ahead and pour a couple of red lines from up pretty high so they go down quite a bit. I do have some scraping of the buckets to do, but I'm gonna make sure that I get the bulk majority of all of my batter in here first while everything is nice and runny. Okay, awesome. All right, last little bit here. Just gonna drizzle this on top. Cool. Ugh, it smells so good. I wish I had smell-o-vision so all of y'all could smell it with me. Okay, I'm gonna let this set up. Looks like it's gonna take just a little while, you know, maybe 15 minutes or so before I'm ready to do the frosting on top. So I'll be back. Ta-da! Look at this frosting. Ugh, this tip, my absolute favorite, with some poppy seeds for exfoliation. Oh man, I'm just so obsessed. What? Y'all have been so sweet to me recently in my comments section, both on YouTube Shorts and on YouTube long form videos as well. I'm seeing a lot of new faces, which is so much fun. I mean, I'm just beyond flabbergasted at how many people want to watch me make soap anyway. You guys know I've been saying that for years, but the fact that there's still new people showing up is just so much fun. I'm so excited about Valentine's Day this year. Last time I asked you guys about Valentine's Day, it seemed like, honestly, quite a mixed bag. People with children seem to like really be enjoying it, or people who are like in a committed relationship. But it seems like a lot of the single people in the comments were like, it's just a, and then, you know, list all the things wrong. Like, it's just a capitalist cash grab, you know, that type of thing. But you know, the thing is, I remember just hanging out with my friends in high school, many of the years that I didn't have a boyfriend, and just loving the theme, like loving the idea of love, you know? Okay, let's get these last little dollops right in the middle. You'll know how bad I am about making frosting lean to the side. I really want teeny tiny little top dollops because I already have an embed that needs to go up there. One more. Good job. Good job, me. Okay, let's start with a little bit of Sparkle Me Red. Now, this is not really red. It's more of a pink. We're just gonna spritz a little bit on top so everything is nice and shiny. I mean, when you're already going like strawberry shortcake, you know, you just gotta commit. I do not lack commitment when it comes to glitter. But yeah, with Valentine's Day, listen, if you're single, Valentine's Day should not be like a horrible thing where you're just reminded about how single you are. Also, ain't nothing wrong with being single. I say that as a married lady. I thoroughly enjoyed my single time. I didn't have that much of it, but I enjoyed it. It was fun. And I got to spend so much time with my friends. So we always made it a Galentine's party. Oh, listen, it was amazing. Here's my little strawberries. They are so small. They are so little. I'll just mark my little end pieces here first. It looks like a little cupcake. We should do a white drizzle on top of this. I thought at first I might make it pink, but now I'm looking at it and I'm like, wouldn't white be like the perfect thing? Like a strawberry white chocolate look? Ooh, yes, I think that will be perfect. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, let me see. I don't know what I want to do now because I kind of want to add some more glitter, but I also kind of want to leave it alone. Is this going to be something that I regret? Is it going to be something that I'm like, nah, this is a good decision. I just don't know. I tell you what, let's get some melt and pour first. I bet that'll help me make a good decision. Okay, so I have some white melt and pour that's ready to go. I'm gonna add some Sparkle Plenty to that, just so we have a sparkly little drizzle on top. Definitely looking like a glaze on a strawberry cake. Ooh, it looks really good to do it on the strawberries too. This reminds me of, and I know it's lemon, but my mom has this lemon pound cake recipe that she used to make years ago. I haven't seen her make it in a while, and you basically make a sugar syrup with water and sugar to glaze the top of it, and that is what this reminds me of. Okay, let's put a little bit of glitter on the sides here. I think that'll look perfect. Okay, I'm going to call that good. It could be that I change it a little bit in the future, but I really like where it is right now. It's not too much. I feel like it still gives a very strawberry dessert feel without going overboard. So let's wait 18 to 24 hours-ish, and then we'll come back, we'll cut it open, we'll see how I feel about it, and if I want to change anything. Okay guys, here we are the next day. Our little straw soap is looking so cute. And these colors really bloomed into the absolute loveliest shades. Well, at least I think so. I haven't cut into it yet, so what do I know? Go ahead and slice into this. Yes, look at that swirl. Man, that is potent. The smell, incredible. Perfect, leaves nothing to be desired. Sweet without being nasty. The only thing I might change is this lighter color here. It's looking a little gray, contrasted to these pinks and this red. So here we have the tops as they are, but let's see if we add a little bit more of like some red glitter, if we like that more. I'll let you guys pick. Get a little bit of red glitter, put that on top. Obviously, I would be adding this when the soap is still fresh so that it sticks really well. But what do you think? Does that like pull the red into the top a little bit more? I kind of like it. This is super cute, but believe me, when I make a change right here on this little gray part, it makes the whole soap pop and look even better. This will be available with the rest of our Small World collection the first Saturday of March at 3 p.m. royaltysoaps.com. I hope you all have an amazing day. Be sure to do something fun for yourself, like eating a little strawberry shortcake, or maybe having like a strawberry smoothie or something. I don't know, just do something for you, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye for now. Pew!